We'll be demonstrating cameras connected to vMix via NDI today with JVC PTZ cameras. NDI is very simple to use because of single LAN cable, and which means integration cost is very low. It's super simple to connect, to deploy it either in your studio or on your field production crew. To add NDI camera to vMix, it's as simple as just clicking Add Input and then selecting NDI. And the way NDI is designed, a mixer would scan your local area network and it would find any available camera on your network which outputs NDI. We have multiple JVC PTZ cameras with NDI output on this network, and I can select one of them. This happens to be JVC KYPZ510, and you can see video in the preview and program monitor immediately. Since this is PTZ camera, we can click on this little gear here, connect to this PTZ camera, and again, everything is handled automatically by NDI. No need to remember port number or IP address. So I click connect, and now I can control this camera, PTZ, zoom, everything else. Let's add more cameras. So again, we go to NDI and we see all available cameras here, and we can add more cameras here, like this camera, for example. And again, this is NDI PTZ camera. You click on connect, and you can control this camera over IP NDI connection. Since these are PTZ cameras added to our project, most customers would use presets with PTZ cameras. You would preset camera for each specific position. The way vMix handles presets, each preset is saved as a separate input, and I will give you an example of this. We click on this little gear here, and we control camera, and we can select maybe specific view of the camera, specific PTZ, and specific zoom function, and then we can create input for this particular preset. I'm just clicking on this here, and input is created. Now we can go back to this camera and perhaps move to another position and create another input as a preset. So now we have two presets, and by simply selecting the camera input, we're switching between camera presets. That's simple, and especially with NDI over single wire, as many cameras as you need, all controlled directly from vMix. Nothing else is needed.